So today's our tutorial is to make a very good liquid fertilizer which can be used all over the year. If you use this all over the year, your plant's health will be godlike. This is very easy to make and it's totally organic. So before starting our today's tutorial, I have one request to you. Please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon because lots of interesting videos is coming soon. So for this tutorial you need a very little amount of cow dung. Here I am going with cow dung, but you can use vermicompost, normal compost, leaf compost, anything. Follow the ratio, guys. Here I am using 2 cup. Look at here that cup. I am using 2 cup of vermicompost. So here I am using a cloth piece which will work as thinner. Look at here, I am taking 2 cups of cow dung. Look at the cloth piece, that how I am using. You have to not stain that fertilizer before use. And now tie the cloth with wire and dip it in water. Here I am using 5 liters of water. Look at here. And now dip your cow dung in this water. Dip it well in the water. You have to shake the water twice a day. Wiggle the water with a stick. So it is totally organic, but if you want, then you can use a little amount of balanced NPK. And this is after 1 day. Look at the color of the water. It changed in brown, deep brown. And here how I wiggle the water. You have to keep this for 3 days and wiggle the water twice a day. So this is after 3 days later. And look at the color of the water. It become black now. It is now ready to be applied in our plants, and before that shake it very well. You can use this leftover cow dung in your soil. It will work as fertilizer as well. Here I am mixing it in 10 liters of water in a 15 liter bucket. You have to take 10 liters of water and mix this 5 liter, and this is our final solution. Here I am showing the process to use this in plants. First of all, dig out all the unwanted weeds and plow the soil very well. It makes the soil porous. Do this very well. So now use this. Here I am taking 1 glass for this 8 inches pot. Look at here. And use 1.5 glass for 10 inches pot. And use 2 cups for 12 inches pot. Look at here. Here I am using 1.5 glass in this 10 inches pot. So use this all over the year. It increases the fertility of the soil. It helps to regain plants' health, and it helps to increase the plant's power of absorption. Absorption is the process where plant takes their essential nutrients from the soil. It also helps to maintain the good and healthy growth in the plant all over the year. And that's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Lots of interesting videos is coming soon. So now let me know your opinion about my videos in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and please share this to your near and dear ones. Thank you guys. Keep well and keep supporting. Thank you.